Alright, I want to make a video comparison of the sound and how fast it takes to build up to 90 psi on each of these 2-gallon compressors. This one's the Craftsman 2-gallon. I bought it at Lowe's Hardware. And then this is the Harbor Freight Fortress, obviously from Harbor Freight, ultra quiet series. So I'll kick this one on first, then I'll kick the other one on, and we'll see how fast they build up pressure. Alright, the Fortress already came up to pressure, so I'm just going to go and shut them off. So the Fortress, this is the pressure levels. And then at the same time, this is how much a Craftsman is made. And then just to get you an idea, let me let out some air on here so you can hear the Fortress on. Alright, this is the sound the Fortress makes. So it's pretty, I mean, it's crazy quiet compared to the Craftsman. And then the Craftsman one, let me see, I'll turn this one off. And this is the Craftsman one on. Yeah, night and day difference.